Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make 5 different flavored Kamikaze shots for you. Kamikaze Shot is one of the most popular party shots in the world. And I hope you will like this recipe. I will use a cocktail shaker to prepare all 5 Kamikaze shots at a time. I will pour 5 ounces of classic vodka. You can use any classic vodka of your choice, but never use a flavored one. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Okay, I poured 5 ounces of vodka. Now I will pour 2.5 ounces of triple sec. Triple sec is the most common orange-flavored liqueur, and easily available in the market. For your house party, you can also use Cointreau, or Grand Marnier, instead of triple sec. But remember, these liqueurs are far more expensive than triple sec. In the end, I will pour 2.5 ounces of lime mix. You are watching Spice Trail. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now I will add 4 to 5 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. It is interesting to know that the meaning of kamikaze in the Japanese language is divine wind. And it is said that the kamikaze cocktail was first created during World War II, in a bar of an American naval base, in Japan. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Okay, kamikaze cocktail is ready. Now I will take 5 shot glasses for 5 different flavors. I will pour approximately 1/4 ounce of syrup in each of the glass. Let's start with 1/4 ounce of blood orange syrup. Quarter ounce of green apple syrup. Quarter ounce of blue curacao syrup. Quarter ounce of passion fruit syrup. And 1/4 ounce of grenadine syrup. Now I will fix a cocktail strainer on the shaker, and pour into the shot glass. I will be happy if you make this amazing cocktail at your next party, and share your experience with me. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. 5 amazing kamikaze shots are ready for you. Please don't forget to share this amazing recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon, with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.